Most channel think they have to pay for promotion to get seen. They feel like, oh, before YouTube will start recommending my video, or before I start making money on this YouTube channel, I need to pay for promotion. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you 3 places that you can promote your video for free without paying without paying nothing. You have it, but you don't know you have it. It's in your Sokoto, and you are going to Sokoto to go and find something. Because most of you, when you just post on your long form, you just go and sleep. You just go and relax. No, you need to work. That is what your big creators are doing. You see them using it, and they are getting new audience every day. I be your number 1 coach. I know they do cho. I will tell you these 3 places that you need to go in my YouTube studio. If this is what you want to be seeing often, I remain with Vibe with Deborah, your YouTube growth, your number 1, where they give you doings, where they show working. Click on the subscribe button so you'll be able to get notification when I drop my video. Oh yeah, now make we enter studio. Come to my studio. So we'll go to our YouTube app. When you click on it, you will see where they put you here. You click on this you open it, you see your view channel, you click on it. Then you go to your video, you click on it. So you are going to open your video just as if you want to watch your video now. So you click on this place,
guys.
When you click on it, you will see a arrow sign like this. You click on this arrow sign here. When you see it, you are going to see copy link, quick share, create post, remix. You are going to use remix. Where you see that your remix, you see edit into a short, sound, collab, green screen, cut. We are going to use edit into a short. You click on this. When you click on it, you are going to move this. Let me give you an extra tip. You want to promote your video, you must use a hook that is hooking the audience, that they are going to your full page, or they are going back to your page to go and watch your full video. So now if you are okay with this 15-second, that is a hook to make your new audience come and watch your full video, fine. But if you are not okay with it, this place you see 15 seconds, you put it here, you will see 60 seconds, which is 1 minute. Now anywhere you want to drag, you can drag it for 24. You can drag it for 25. You can be dragging it. Just keep dragging it till you are okay to the numbers of seconds you want. 45, 30. Just keep dragging it. Now I am going to drag my own to 30.
And why am I sharing?
So because this is where the hook is. Now if you want to go further, I don't like layout, but some persons do like that if you want to. So you go to this place, you can you can click on your layout, whichever one you want, and all that. But me, I don't like layout, so I just put it like this, and I'm okay with it. But you can choose whichever one you want to. Then you click on done, and it's processing. So this is a way of promoting your videos to a new audience before. So when you have done that, you click here, you can type anything. Congratulate me, I've been monetized back. So people want to watch the full video. So congratulate with me, I have been monetized back. So some persons will want to come and they may watch it or they may not watch it, but I will just put it here as it is. Let me just change the color to black so I can put it here. Then I can just click on next. Now that I click on next, first thing, this pencil sign, look at it, but I'm okay with the thumbnail that is given to me. This thumbnail here, I'm okay. But if you want your thumbnail, you can be clicking on this place and be choosing your thumbnail. You will just be clicking on each of your face there. But I love this. And when you come, please take note of your hashtag. Your hashtag should go in sequence with your video. YouTube monetization, I don't know if it will go like that. Hey, YouTube monetization, YPP, congratulations, there's it this thing. Yes, YouTube shorts. This is a YouTube shorts. YouTube growth, that's part of the niche. YouTube growth, short videos, like that. When you are done with all this, you click show more. You can add description if you want. Then your related video, this is it. You should click on it to go in sequence with what you are saying. You can add playlists, and that is just if you have collaboration or whatever, you just do. Then you just upload your video immediately. That is it. You are going to upload your video immediately. Then you will see that after like in 24 hours or less than that, you can go to your analytics and check your analytics. You see YouTube recommendation, you will see external, you will see remix. You can even see the numbers of people that came through remix to that video that you just posted. When you are done with it, this is another way to promote your videos to get more audience, new audience, because YouTube short is very fast. It pushes your video very fast, especially when you have a good hook. So now that we have done this, I say uploaded to public. The second method, you go back to your video, you still open this again, click on this same method, the same way we did. You click on it, then you create posts. You can put congratulate with me, I've been monetized, or after being demonetized, I'm monetized back. Look, after being demonetized for 5 months. 5 months. After being demonetized for 5 months, finally I am monetized. Thank you. Thank you, Jesus. Join me and celebrate. Just click on it. And your post is going to go. If you want to put hashtag, you can put hashtag. Let me just put monetization. So you just click on it and post. That's the second way. Post is going viral. You will see some people when they are scrolling like this, they see your post. When your thumbnail is okay and your title and your write-up, they stop and look at it. From there they can just click, because automatically when they see this your post, it has a way of clicking. When they touch it, it's taking them to your video. Then the last one again that you do, but you do this one strategically, like I always say. This last one, when you still go to this place, then you use this thing, you copy this link. When you copy this link, let me give you this. Don't, if you have a Telegram, if you have a WhatsApp group, if you have your family that love what you are doing, maybe you have like family that are sure like 10 or 15, you can just drop your link to them and say, please help me watch it. Or if you have on Facebook, you can drop your link there. If you have this in Nairaland, I'm giving you updates. So some people don't know Nairaland. You drop your update there, and people will come and watch your video. Do you understand? So that is that, but you have to be very strategic in this update that I'm giving to you. So you drop your link strategically so that it will not be like invalid views, or YouTube will send something. But you have to be very strategic. When this one is even more important, you can get views from this your link more than the rest two that I've just said. If you have a Telegram group that you are sure, like you know that these people, they watch your video, they comment, between 24 hours your video have gone. I said in my previous video that most of your big creators that you see them having view, most of it is not really organic. It's not that they just let YouTube do their work. As YouTube is doing their work, they are also doing their own work. So they will just, as they drop a video after 30 minutes or 1 hour, they drop their link to that group and say, please, I just dropped a video, please go and support me. You will see them coming, watching and everything, putting likes. You not be saying, how can this video of 2,000 views getting about 500 views, 500 comments? Most of it are from the same group. So I just told you this is in your Sokoto, but you are going to Sokoto to find it. These three tools are very powerful for your YouTube promotion. Don't joke with it. Are very powerful. There's one time, let me give you a short scenario. There's a time that I promoted my long form through short, a story. I just used the storyline on this. I promoted it through short in my other channel of AI story. I just used the short, just the short clip, promoted it on my short. That short got about 58k views. People that came to watch the long form are almost 8 or 10,000 remix. 10,000 came. That view went up. I was shocked. So now something way they work, they do cho. See you in my next video.